What I like to do for fun is I'm a skateboarder. I've been skateboarding for about like 16 years. And other than that, I just hang out with my cat. Hi, my name is Mike. My role at the company as a project specialist starts pretty much with excavating holes. It could also go anywhere from installing helicals, installing push piers, really just any type of work that's going to be done on your home. I'm one of the guys that's going to be completing that task. Some of the problems that I help customers with could be anywhere like dealing with a very difficult hole or having to dig around some pipes or cut some pipes that need to be removed in order to install. Other than that, that's pretty much the main problems that I deal with. I do love my job. It just takes me to a lot of great places. Traveling a little bit is cool. I get to learn a lot and use new tools all the time. Yeah, I'd say I love my job. The most fulfilling part of my job is completing the job at the end of the week and just making sure everything's done nice and neat and making sure the customer's happy. The most important thing a customer experiences is probably cleanliness and just trying to keep everything organized, because when we start a project, the homeowner usually has it in mind that we're going to tear their house apart, and if we just keep it clean, and it usually makes them feel pretty good too. One thing, my brother is a foreman at the company, got me this job here. Shout out to Nick. I got an older sister. She's about 8 years older than me, and my mom and dad, they're great people. Fun fact about me is that in the summertime, I like to go to the river and party in Havasu.